Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all will be good and you are welcome to our channel English Fun with Words. And today we will learn 6 new words which are built on the one root. I think we will learn more than 6 words and today the root is filan. And we have already discussed the root filan, but let us discuss the more word on the filan. Filan means love, affection. So, philan means love or affection, having the great affection or love for something. So, we have the different words which are built on the philan. Let us look at the words sinophile, hispanophile, nipponophile, philharmonic, and potion filter. So, let us look at the meaning of these words and how these words have been constructed. The first word is sinophile, sino, which means Thailand. Thailand and phile is love. So what is a sinophile means? Love of Thailand, love for, or you can say of Thailand, or you can say someone love to go on Bangkok, go to the Pattaya beach in Thailand. So love of Thai culture, love of Thai culture. Love of Thai culture is called sinophile. The sinophile is love for Thailand or love for Thai culture. Now second word, hispanophile. Hispano was earlier name of China and phile means love. So love for Chinese thing, love for Chinese things, or you say love for Chinese product, love for Chinese product or people, product or you can say people. So love for Hispanophile. Hispanophile means love for China, love of Chinese people, love of Chinese things. Now next word, Nipponophile. Nippon. You have heard this word. It was earlier name of Japan. So I guess you have already guessed the meaning of the word and file means love. So love of Japanese thing, people, love of Japanese thing, people, place, many more. In short, you can say you in concisely way or precisely way you can say Nipponophile, which means love of Japan, love of Japan or related things of Japan. Now next word, Philharmonic. Phil means love from Philan and harmony which means harmonic is from the harmony. Harmony means unity. Where is unity? In music, which is symphony. Symphony, you have heard the word symphony means together sound, together sound. In the composing of music, large number of musical instruments are hold together and they are blown together. So philharmonic means love of music, love of music or musical instrument, musical instruments. So philharmonic means love of music or musical instrument, or you can also think it in the metaphoric manner, and in the metaphoric manner, love of unity, love of unity. We are philharmonic people, which means we are unity loving people. We, where there is unity, there is a great power. So philharmonic means love of music and music signifies unity. So philharmonic means love of unity. Now potion filter, it is very rarely used word and it is very new word in the dictionary of English, and it is generally discussed in the Latin form. It was actually proportioned by Shashi Tharoor, Indian politician. And what is the meaning of the potion filter? Filter, first look at the meaning of the filter, which means love, and person is actually thing, particular, particular. So love for particular thing, love for particular thing, and particular thing can be anything in your life. You have love for the something that you like very much, like it is the last symbol of your father, it last symbol of your mother, your wife, your children. So person filter is a love of some particular thing. You are very well attached to the particular thing in your life. It is called the person filter. Now we have the one more word which is very very similar to ourselves, and Indophile. I have already guessed what you have. Now you have already guessed the meaning of the word Indo, India, and file means love. So love of Indian thing, love of India, and Indian thing. We are Indians. We are proud of it. We love Indian things, and we love our India. So Indophile. We are Indophile. We are the great patriotic. And this is Indophile. Now we have the three more words, and I think you have guessed the meaning of the words, but let us see what the words are. First, Francophile, love of France, Love of France from Franco France. Now Russophile, Russia. So love of Russia, love of Russia, love of Russia. Now Germanophile, Germany. And file love, so love of Germany. There are many other words, like you can take the name of the country and add the file and you can get the meaning of the words. So I conclude my video, and I hope that you have learned and understood the meaning of these words. I hope that you will come to my next video. So please like and subscribe my channel, please, 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 and please share this video, because I will come with the next parts of the very exciting words. So thank you, and I hope you will learn more. Thank you.